What's up, Subaru gang? I've been a Subaru owner for Legacy GT the last 4 years, and definitely I've had my ups and downs. But like this happened to me today. My engine has been having problems, and I pulled it out. I'm not really a good mechanic, but at least I know. For the last 4 years, I've dealt with these cars. I know the struggles I've gone through. So definitely I decided to do it myself. So I had a misfire in one cylinder, and this happened to me sometimes back. And I decided to check out and found out it was a spark plug. And I need to know what happens, what really causes spark plug to really look like this. This is a spark plug which came from cylinder number 2. And previously I had also the same issue with cylinder number 1. And I need to understand why, what causes this. Is it detonations, is it temperatures, is it what exactly is the issue? Because I can't keep on pulling my engine over and over. But last time I only checked one cylinder. I never bothered to check the cylinder number 2. I checked cylinder number 1. Normal spark plug looks like that. That's a normal spark plug. But when you look at the spark plug I pulled from the cylinder number 2, you'll be surprised. Look at that. That piece was not there. It was, if you look at the spark plug I bought, I was told it's legit. I bought it from the Subaru dealer. So I don't know whether it's the bad spark plug, detonation, or temperature. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what's the issue, because I can't keep on pulling my engine over and over. So I decided to pull the engine out because I could feel there was no compression in that cylinder, and this is the reason why the compression was missing. It's because of that what do you call it, valve. Yeah, the valve. The intake valves are okay, but the outlet valves are just one of them. It's releasing the compression out. The cylinders, when I looked at the cylinder, there's no damage on the cylinder, and I'm hoping also the piston is okay, because I did not see any damage on the cylinder sides, or the sides of the cylinder. They are very smooth. But the valve on that cylinder, the outlet valve, is kind of ruined completely. So I'm going to do a replacement of that valve, or I have another head which I'm going to change. But I'm really wondering what causes all this. I don't know. Like someone out there who understands this can explain to me what really causes this. Is it bad tune? Is it detonation? Bad spark plug? Or temperatures? Like, I can't keep on pulling my engine out over and over. It's just been 6 months when I pulled and I repaired cylinder 1. Now this is cylinder 2. While I'm doing that, while I'm at it, I decided also to change several things, like oil pump. I'm assuming my oil pump has been having issues. I'm not sure really, but this is something that I also need to change. I also need to change my coolant pump. I also need to change to remove the oil cooler, which is just connected, which actually connects to the oil filter, that oil cooler, and I need to clean it up, because yeah, it's just a major. These things I can only do them at now when the engine is out. The engine is out,